I? I give milk and live on farms. I'm a cow. Who am I? I have many teeth and never stop swimming. I'm a shark. Who am I? I have long ears and love carrots. I'm a rabbit. Who am I? I am very big and have a long trunk. I'm an elephant. Who am I? I make honey and help flowers grow. I'm a bee. Who am I? I have a very long neck and eat leaves. I'm a giraffe. Who am I? I am colorful and can copy words. I'm a parrot. Who am I? I am the king of the jungle and I roar loudly. I'm a lion. Who am I? I live in water and breathe with gills. I'm a fish. Who am I? I jump high and carry my baby in a pouch. I'm a kangaroo. Who am I? I run very fast and people ride on my back. I'm a horse. Who am I? I cannot fly and live in cold places. I'm a penguin. Who am I? I am very clever and have a bushy tail. I'm a fox. Who am I? I lay eggs and wake people up early. I'm a chicken. Who am I? I have orange stripes and hunt alone. I'm a tiger. Who am I? I have colorful wings and start as a caterpillar. I'm a butterfly. Who am I? I am huge and live in the ocean. I'm a whale. Who am I? I walk sideways and have claws. I'm a crab. Who am I? I am man's best friend and I love chewing bones. I'm a dog. Who am I? I look like a horse and have black and white stripes. I'm a zebra. Who am I? I fly high in the sky and have very sharp eyes. I'm a hawk. Who am I? I am very smart and swim fast. I'm a dolphin. Who am I? I am the fastest animal on land and I sprint. I'm a cheetah. Who am I? I have scales and love warm rocks. I'm a lizard. Who am I? I have antlers and run quietly in forests. I'm a deer. Who am I? I give wool and follow the flock. I'm a sheep. Who am I? I eat bamboo and am black and white. I'm a panda. Who am I? I swim in water and quack loudly. I'm a duck. Who am I? I have thick skin and a horn on my nose. I'm a rhinoceros. Who am I? I have spots and climb trees easily. I'm a leopard. Who am I? I live in the sea and have big pincers. I'm a lobster. Who am I? I fly over the mountains and see far away. I'm an eagle. Who am I? I live in trees and eat eucalyptus leaves. I'm a koala. How many points did you get? Tell us on the comments. Congratulations! Thanks for watching!